Hello everyone and welcome to the session 8 of unit 4, that is estimation of cost in welding and sheet metal shop. Myself Mohammad Imran. So let us move to the numerical problems on estimation in sheet metal shop. A steel pipe 10 meter long and 0.6 meter diameter is to be fabricated from MS plate of 1 centimeter thickness. Estimate the cost if MS plates of size 2 meter into 1 meter are available at the rate of rupees 270. Cost of rolling is 10% of material cost. Cost of riveting is 20% of material cost. Cost of overhead charges is 10% of material cost. So here he has not given the cost of the plate in terms of kg or in terms of area square. So cost of the MS plate is given by a fixed size. So 2 meter into 1 meter. So using this sheet only, you have to make use of this sheet to prepare this pipe. So we have to calculate whatever the area will come, you have to adjust with this sheet. So because the cost is available, the sheet is available with a fixed size and fixed cost. So using this sheet you have to calculate the cost of the plate. So the material cost, so the size of the sheet, the size of the sheet required is in terms of diameter uh, and in terms of length. So the 0.6 meter is the diameter of the pipe. So if you develop this 0.6 diameter pipe, the this length required for this sheet is 0.6 into pi d, pi into d, that is diameter into pi. The diameter is 0.6, so 0.6 into pi is 3.14, so 1.884 is the width of the sheet. It is nothing but the width we can say while developing, and the length is 10 meter long. We have to prepare 10 meter long, that will take it as height and this will take it as length. So length of the sheet required is, if you develop 0.6 meter dia, is 1.884, but the cost of the sheet is available is 2 meter now. So we got extra 0.058 meters, we have got extra material. So this extra material is used for making the grooves for joints, so overlapping joints. So we are using this as for joints. So exactly we can use this 2 meter for preparing diametrical wise size. So this 2 meter will be suitable for preparing this diameter. So when you develop this, you will get 1.884 meter. The remaining of 2 meter divided by 2 is 0.058. Both side will get extra material that will be used for making lap joint. So for making 10 meter of pipe, we requires for making 10 meter long pipe, we should join this ring by butt joint with the single cover plate. The length of one ring is 1 meter. So we have fixed length here 1 meter. So so in each sheet can prepare uh, 1 meter length. So we require 10 meter long pipe. So we require 10 such pipes. 10 such sheets are required. So 10 this kind of sheet is required for making 10 meter long pipe. So we have covered this 0.6 meter diameter, and we with one sheet we can prepare this 1 meter and 0.6 diameter pipe. So we require to develop to prepare 10 meter long pipe. So with one PS sheet we can make 1 meter long. So we require 10 such sheets. For 10 meter long pipe we require 10 rings are required. 10 such pipe, 10 sheets of this size is required. Total 10 plates are used, plus one plate is used for cover plate to fabricate the all rings. So in order to, we cannot use directly this pipe. So you have to you have to connect you have to join each pipes or each rings. So for that sheet we have to use one sheet. So we cannot get the separate sheet. Whatever the sheets means a fixed sheet is available. So with that sheet only we have to prepare all these dimensions. So using one extra sheet, we are cutting the sheets to make a cover plate for joining the other 10 rings. So we have prepared 10 pipes of 1 meter height. So we have to join that pipes. So in order to join that pipe, we don't have any extra material. We have a fixed size of material. So you are taking one extra material and we are cutting that, and we are using as a cover plate to join these 10 plates. So for such plates we are taking one extra plate. So total 11 plates are required of such kind. So 10 plus 1, 10 is for making this 10-meter long pipe, 1 is for making this cover plate to fabricate the rings. So 11 sheets are required. So 11, the cost of the sheet is available for one sheet is 270. So we require 11 such sheets, 10 for making 10-meter long pipe, 1 is for covering the sheets. So total material cost will be 11 into 270, that is 2970 rupees is required. So the cost of rolling is 10% of this material cost. So 10% of 297, and the cost of the riveting is 20%, that is 594. The overhead charges is 10% of material cost, so that is 297. So total cost will be adding all these. This is the material cost, and this is the rolling cost, and this is the riveting cost, and this is the overhead charges. The total cost for making such pipes of 10-meter long is 4158 rupees. Next, a cylindrical drum of size 2.7 meter height. The height of the drum is 2.75 meter, and the 1.5 mean dia. The mean dia is 1.5 meter, are to be fabricated from the sheet of 5 mm thickness by grooved seam joint. Both the ends are closed by sheet with a single seam joint. Determine the material cost if the sheet is available at rupees 2000 per meter square. So here the sheet is available at area. If you 1 meter area, the sheet cost is 2000 rupees. You need to find out how much area of sheet is required for your drum. So in order to calculate the area of the sheet, we have to take the size of the sheet here. So the height of the sheet cylindrical drum is, you can see, 2.75 meter. The height of the sheet cylindrical drum is 2.75 meter. So height wise, with a height of 2.75 meter, we require some extra material to make the closing of this drum, because we have to cover this drum. So for covering this drum, we have to use single seam joint on both sides. So we require 5 times the thickness of the sheet for making a single seam joint. So 5 into thickness of the sheet. Thickness of the sheet is given by 5 mm, that is 0.05 meter. So 5 is the constant, multiplied by 5 into 0.05 into 2 is on both sides. We required both sides, top and bottom side. So total excess material is required is 0.05 meter. So this 0.05 meter is extra material is required in case of height. So in the total material required for height purpose is 2.75 plus 0.05 for making seam joint. So 2.8 meter of height of sheet is required for making this this drum. So in case of width wise or length wise, we have 1.5 mean dia. So if you develop this, that will become 1.5 into d, pi into 1.5 d, pi is constant and d is 1. We require 3.14 meter of joint. This is not the 1.5 mean dia, this is 1 meter dia. So we are taking 1 meter dia here. So 3.14 into d is 1. So 3.14 meter of lengthwise sheet is required, but it is this lengthwise we are making the joints by means of groove joints. We are joining this sheet by groove joints. Therefore 10 times the thickness of the sheet is required along the lengthwise. We have to add for this material in order to making the groove joint for joining purpose. So 10 into thickness of the sheet, 10 thickness of the sheet is 0.05. So 0.05 meter one side, since both sides we require this one, multiplied this by 2. So 0.1 meter extra sheet is required in lengthwise. So add this to this 3.14, that will become 3.24. So the area of the sheet is required is 3.24 plus into this 2.8 meter. So this is the actual area of the sheet required. So 9.072. the 2000 is the cost of the material for 1 meter square. We require 9.072 meter of such sheet. The cost of the sheet will be 2000 into 9.072, that is 18,144. So only thing is we have something mistake in this problem is this mean dia is not 1.5, so this diameter should be 1 meter. So we are taking 1 meter here. So everything is other thing you have, hope you understood. Here one nothing, there is one area will be given, one drum. So drum is given. So for drum it is having a height. So for height we have to cover the cover plate here. For covering that cover plate we have to make a joints grooves like this. For this extra grooves, so this is the height. So if the grooves is required, then you have to bend this plate extra here. So that for height we required seam joint. So we are taking 5% into thickness of the sheet, so that we required height wise 2.5 plus some extra sheet. And the cylindrical surface, for making the length of the sheet, we have to develop this. To develop this, you have to multiply pi into diameter of the drum, so that will become 3.14. So in lengthwise also we have to make a joint here to cover this, to close this and to make joints. So that is taken as 10 times the thickness of the sheet. So we have required some extra material. So to actual drum we are adding some extra material for making joints. So multiply this by that will become a rectangle. So multiplying the width into length, that will gives the area here. So area, so multiplied by cost of the material will gives you the cost of the sheet metal. Very simple problems here, just you need to know the knowledge of development here. So thank you for watching this.